Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well, and today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful design of crochet mermaid baby dress that can be a special and unique gift for baby showers, birthday or other occasions. Handmade gifts often hold sentimental value and show the recipient that you put to thought and effort into creating something special just for them. So these designs and patterns are very unique, and your newborn baby will look so beautiful, and you can use this dress for the newborn baby photo shoot to get the greatest and unique photographs. And each and every pattern is different from one another, and the color scheme you can customize it the way you want it to be. And the material is very soft. Like crocheting allow you to unleash your creativity and showcase your skills, and it gives you the freedom to customize the dress according to your preferences and the baby styles. You can choose the color scheme, stitch patterns and embellishments that match the baby's personality or the theme you have in mind. This level of customization allows you to create a truly one of kind garment, and they are very handmade quality, good quality and warmth, provide the warmth and comfort to your baby, and very eco-friendly. Like you have the opportunity to use eco-friendly and sustainable materials such as organic cotton or bamboo yarn. This choice promotes environmentally conscious practices and reduces the reliance on mass produce synthetic clothing. So yeah, that's all. You can get any idea and any design for your new baby, and you can customize it for your loved one. So yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.